Time travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We gotta get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid strikes. Come on, let's get this time machine booted up. Let's roll. Okay, now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just a little one.
Alioramus. Hydrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Locking autopilot on homing signal now! What's the holdup? We gotta move! Hang on! Tracking big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identify.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Come on, guys. We gotta get our dino and get out of here. Another big guy coming up. Computer, slow. Then identify.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Locating dinosaur. Please hold. Asteroid impact in 90 seconds.
We better move it.
Pterodactyl.
Incoming!
Asteroid impact in 60 seconds.
We can't stop now. Keep going, keep going.
Compsognathus.
Computer, what's happening?
Loss of traction.
Come on, not now. Four-wheel drive, move it.
Warning, meteor strike.
Evasive maneuver. Left, right, left, right. Close. Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it. Abort mission. Abort. Abort.
Iguanodon.
Forget it. Get them out now.
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself. This is it. They're not gonna make it. They're not gonna make it.
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would. And guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything.